what is the meaning of meteoroids? Yes, let us see in this class about the meteoroids. Small fragments of rocks and debris in a space are called meteoroids. These are the small fragments of the rocks. Yes, this is the small rocks. It is present in the space. When they enters the earth's surface, they started to burn. Dear children, when the meteoroids enters in the earth atmosphere, it started to burn. Then a friction by the atmosphere, due to the friction, and a streak of light is produced. Yes, this is called as a shooting stars. Now you got the idea what is the shooting star? When meteoroids are enter into the earth's atmosphere, by the friction it started to burn, then streak of light is produced, that is called as a shooting stars. Asteroids. Small rocky celestial bodies revolving around the sun are called asteroids. Most of them are located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. See children, these asteroids are the small rocky celestial bodies. These are revolving around the sun and these are found between the Mars and Jupiter orbit. This is the between of Mars and Jupiter orbit. Okay. Next one, comets. A comet is an icy body that gives out gas or dust. Means comet is means what? This is the icy body and it gives out the gas or dust. Can you in the picture you can see no? Yes, how that gas and dust is coming outside from that comet. They revolve around the sun. They can be seen in the night when they come close to the earth. When they come close to the sun, they produce a long tail which is made up of gas and dust. See children, can you see in the picture how it is how it is producing the long tail? Okay, this long tail is which is made up of gas and dust. Okay. Yes, this is called as a comet. Comet is a one icy body that gives out, it giving out the gas as well as the dust. These some comets are appear regular intervals. This one of the most common Halley comet. Most common comet is which one? Halley comet. It appears once in 76 years. Okay, the last time it is appeared was 1986. Then when will it appear again? Then you calculate 1986 plus 76 you do. Tell me how much. Okay, count and tell me. Fast. Yes, tell me. Tell me fast. 2062. Very good. Yes, next. When we can see 1986 plus 76 years. 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, very good. 16. Yes, 2062. When we'll get the next when this comet will appear? Yes, in 2062 this comet will appear. Okay, draw a picture of solar system in chart appear. It's a model with the help of your teacher. Exhibit in the classroom. Yes, this is your activity. Okay, you should draw the solar system and you should put the chart in the classroom. Okay, next one more is there activity. Under the guidance of your teacher you should do this one. Along with your friends draw 8 elliptical circles like this. You should make elliptical circle means like this circles. Okay, middle you stand in the center of the circle representing the sun. Yes, suppose I am standing here means I am a sun. Ask your friends means ask your friends. Okay, I will ask two students to rotate like this. Okay, this activity will help the understand of movement of the planets in the solar system. Yes, what I will suggest to you, revolve around you means spin continuously in your own axis and revolve around the sun means revolve around me. That is called as a functioning. Whatever is there, the concept of solar system you will understand. Next one, the Earth's satellite. All of you know which is the natural satellite of the Earth? Okay, that is Moon. Dear children, then what is the meaning of satellite? Satellite is a celestial body revolving around the planet. See children, this is the, what is this? This is the Earth. Means satellite is this one. This is satellite is a one celestial body revolving around the planet. Revolving around the planet is called as a satellite. Got the idea? Yes. Yes, the moon is a natural satellite of the earth. Okay. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It revolves around the earth. You see, it revolves around the earth or not? Yes. It does not have light of its own. That's why moon is a non-luminous object. Sun is a luminous object. What is the meaning of luminous and non-luminous? You studied already. Luminous means which object emit its own light. That is called luminous object. Means example is sun. Sun emits its own light. But moon doesn't emit its own light. That's why moon is called as what? What it is? Non-luminous object. Then how it will get the light, children? Yes, well, night we are seeing means mm, moon will be giving light for us in the full moon days. Then how? Yes, this is reflects of light from the sun during the night. See, this is the reflection of the light from the sun. That is only reflection of the sun. Okay, means this is then a non-luminous object. Next, one more question. If you are living on the moon, will the earth appear as the moon to you? No, because see children, we are all on the earth, all are able to see daily moon. Okay, how it is look like, all of you know that. If all are in the moon means it is different only because it's a surface and it's a color, and all of you know two-third of the earth is containing the water. All these features it containing means it is looking different only. Okay, yes. The next topic is movements of the moon. All of you already studied that movements of the planet. How many types are there? There are the two types, means the planets having two movements. That is, one is rotation and one more is revolution. In the previous class you studied like that. Movements of the moon means the moon also having the two movements. One is rotation and one is revolution. See children, it spins in its own axis, means in its own places continuously. This is called as a rotation, and it revolves around the earth. It is called as a revolution. That's why one is rotation of its axis and another is around the earth. That is called as a revolution and rotation. Got the idea? Yes. Next one. Know this. The moon's rotation takes 27.3 days. Moon's rotation, if it takes a spin continuously in its own axis, in its axis means how much it takes? 27.3 days. And revolving around the earth, it takes 29.5 days. Yes, this is called as a rotation and revolution. Already in the previous class we studied about the planets, every planet's rotation and revolution periods. Okay, this is also moon's rotation and revolution. Hmm? Next one, phases of the moon. As the moon revolves around the earth, its a position in the relation to the sun. Yes, this is always it is related to the sun. Changes from night to night. Why it is changes to night to night? Because it will get the reflection of sunlight, children. Understood. As a result, we can see phases of the moon. The changes in the moon's visible phase, that is called as a whatever visible phase. First day is, yes, like this, full moon day. Afterwards, you see, yes, like this. Yes, yes, day by day, it changes its shape. Yes or no? Continuously, last day like this, small. Okay, you will learn about this the higher class. Okay, like this, it's a phases of the moon, means it's a size also, it is decreasing day by day. Understood? For what means this is all depend on the reflection of the sunlight. Okay, when the moon is completely dark, see children, completely dark means there is a small like this, very dark, completely moon is dark means we are calling that is a new moon. When we see the bright side totally like this round shape fully is called as a full moon. Full moon, new moon means amavasya, full moon means punnime. Yes.